Hello, how's it going? Nathan here, Royal Masters. I'm super excited today because we got an awesome new product. This is a purple stick vacuum. What? Purple? I didn't think they made such a thing. Yes, it's a purple stick vacuum. So all you people out there that like purple, well, this might be the product for you. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the model number. It's called the HC20 Pro Craziness. And check out the logo right there, home with two O's. So very cool with a cool alien looking symbol. Sweet. And yes folks, my box has seen better days. Usually it doesn't come out with this awesome dent, but this one has a cool dent. So hopefully it comes in one piece. But I do appreciate the colorful box, so good job. And yes, there are the specs right there, so you can know everything about this cool product. Alright, let's go and get this guy opened up. I will see how well the HC20 Pro does. Alright, let's just rip it up. This is not working very well. They put too much tape on here. Oh, that was easy enough. Don't want to mess up my beautiful table. Whoa, this is cool. Look at this, guys. We got this instruction manual. Show you the instructions right here. Can you guys... camera, can you focus, or is it too bright? Check out those instructions. Very nice. Tells you everything you need to know about the stick vacuum. So, make sure you guys read that. Extremely important. And you know me, I like to spend hours and hours reading this instruction. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Looks like we got a warranty. Very nice. So you just scan the QR code. Sweet. So, wow, this is nicely laid out. So we got this little doodad. This looks like a cleaning tool. Never seen this for a stick vacuum. Looks like we got a little cutting edge right here so you can clean the extractor bar and you can, you know, comb your hair, clean the lenses, all that fun stuff. Sweet. Looks like we got our little crevice tool. Great for going around those edges, maybe getting those cracks where all the Oreos and cookies and maybe your stash of Skittles are hidden. Take this tool, clean it all up, and you should be good to go. Oh, hey Roblox, how's it going? I know there's a new Roblox S7, but that doesn't mean you can just stop cleaning and just sit there. Don't worry, I got you though. Let's see what this doodad is. You guys know what this is? Looks like it's a holder for all your tools. Yep, holds all your tools. And I don't know how the stick vacuum mounts up. We'll figure that out. Looks like we got the AC adapter. Very nice. Let's go ahead and see if it supports overseas. Ports to 100 to 240 volts. And it looks like it does, so good job. So we got our little nunchucks so we can battle each other. Let's check these guys out. So we got this tube thing. I can see you guys. Can you see me? Yeah, I know. So mature of me. Very nice. We got another one. So yes, go ahead and take your friends out and have a nice duel with these cool cylinder pieces. Or what do they call them? Ovals? Who knows? Alright, let's keep going. So we got this little tool. This looks like it's a smaller crevice tool or something. Maybe you can grab your pet, vacuum them off or something. Looks like there's a button right here. Let's see. There you go. Slides up and down. Very nice. Sweet. I'm gonna have to grab my pooch or my pretend pooch and see how well it cleans the thing off. What you got there, buddy? Oh, you want your daily manicure? Hold on. Next. Oh wow, look at this. We got some more tubey things. Wow, this thing looks like it's really long. So look at this thing. Whoa, look how long that tube is. That's craziness. Can I get that in frame? Yeah, that's a really long tube. So awesome. So it comes with like 3 super long tubes. Alright, so we got some foamy stuff. I don't know what you can do with this. Maybe organize your utensils with this. Yeah, you could probably put your knives here, your nunchucks over here, maybe some donuts or something in this pocket. So very cool. Yeah, keep this. This would be a great organizer for all your utensils and stuff. Sweet. Alright, so now we got the stick vacuum head, or the motorized head. Check this guy out. Very, very cool. Look at that extractor bar. Sweet. So it's like a combination bristles. You got purple bristles. You got the gray bristles. So which one's better? Is it the purple bristles that do better than the gray bristles? Or is it the gray bristles that do better than the purple bristles? I don't know. I'm just completely lost here. Okay. So, yep. You got some information down here. Nice, cool swivel head. And look at this, guys. Looks like we got some LED lights right here. 4 of them. So, yes, at nighttime, you can vacuum, wake up everyone at the household, but at least you can see what you're doing. So, sweet. I really like that feature. Whoa, look at this. It's like a, what do you call it? It's like a little candle or something. But actually, this is an air filter. So, very, very cool. Looks like they provided 2 of them. So, nice job. I don't have to go out to my Walmart and get another air filter. So, sweet. And looks like we got another extractor bar, different type here. Are we missing some bristles here? This is very interesting. Is this designed for like the pet hair, or is it designed for the larger chunks? I don't know. We have to check that out. So sweet. And let's see. Whoa. So this guy's actually has a base instead of hanging up on your wall. So that's really cool. I did try out like the Bobot and it had the same design. So really neat. I wonder how it charges unless you just plug it in or something. Cool. And that's the most important part, the actual vacuum itself. Alright, get out of here, Boxy. Man, I like doing unboxings. It's like Christmas all over again. And I like doing the unwrappings. It's so much fun. Alright, so check it out, guys. I really like this purple accent. It really gives it a nice, cool, kind of clean look. Let's see. Let's check this out. So this is the actual docking station. Has the power jack right here, and looks like it just slots in, and we can hold our tools, and we can also mount as well. So very, very interesting design. Let's see how well this works. Let's check out the vacuum itself. We got a canister up here, and let's see. Push the button. Yep, it's a kind of like a bottom loading system. So we'll see how well this does. I usually like this system where you just press a single button and all the dirt comes off. Logo up here, and our exhaust vents right here. Looks like we do have a little LED display. Let's see if it turns on. Yep, see our LED display. Very, very cool. So we'll check out that display, and let's see if we can remove the battery. Yes, so good job. You can actually remove this battery, and this battery is a 2,000 milliamp hour battery at 25.9 volts. You guys see that? Cool. So yes, this is really exciting. I really like the fact that they get a cool little color scheme of purple and silver. Kind of gives it a really nice look. So we'll go ahead and get this all put together, and we'll charge it up and see how well this HC20 Pro does. Hold on 1 second. Whoa, this thing is like a million pieces. I don't know how I'm going to put this together. Actually, it's quite simple. Alright, let's go and start with the base here and grab one of our metal silver tubey things, and we'll just slip it in right here. Should be pretty simple. Next, we'll take the half piece and we're going to put on top of our silver piece. And we're going to keep building a little tower here. Take another silver piece, build on top of that. And lastly, we got a little charging dock. And it goes up top here. Slips all in there. Next, we can get to the fun part. Alright, go ahead and grab our stick vacuum. And we'll grab the purple tube. Notice this little notch down here goes to the bottom and it should click in. Next, let's go and grab our motorized head and do the same thing. Once everything's clicked in, let's go and dock in our docking station. Should slip right in there, and grab our 2 attachments, and they actually go in this hole right here. There you go. Very nice, clean setup. Last thing we need to do is take our power cable and just plug it in. Sweet, we're all done. Okay, we're going to see how well the extractor bar does on carpet. We're going to do different types of debris sizes. I'm going to have the stick vacuum set to its lowest power setting. I found that the base gives a nice clean setup so you don't have to mount it to your wall. Also, the LED display is a nice touch. Whoa, hey guys, are you guys still here? I think I see one person that's still on this video, so thanks so much for sticking with me. Okay, let me give you my final thoughts, the pros and cons. So what I like about the HC20 Pro is the price at $130, you really can't go wrong. It's a great like secondary stick vacuum, or like taking an RV or something, it makes a great little handy cleaner. Okay, I also like the little base here, gives a nice clean setup, and if you do want to get out the drill and drill into your wall, well, that's an option. You do have the pre-drilled holes here, and you can mount this to your wall as well. Okay, so the next thing I like is the little canister here. With this little push of a button, you can actually take the canister to your trash can, empty out with another push of a button. You actually take the entire unit, makes it super easy to empty out the dustbin. Also, comes with 2 air filters out of the box, so good job. Okay, I also like the LED display. It gives you a lot of permanent information. It lets you know how much battery life you have, as in an actual countdown timer or percentage. So very, very good job. Next, I appreciate the auto feature. So this thing actually has a dirt detection sensor. So when there's a lot of dirt and debris, it will actually ramp up its suction to the max. So very, very good. So what I don't like about this is the large dirt and debris. Like my Lucky Charm challenge didn't do so well. So it kind of pushed it around on hardwood floors. But carpet did a little bit better. But this thing's designed for smaller dirt and debris. So that's just something to keep in mind. And lastly, one thing I don't care for is the battery. Even though it's removable, it only comes with 1 battery. Maybe they could come with an extra battery or have the ability to charge 2 batteries at once. This guy can only charge 1 battery at a time. Alright, so that's everything about the HC20 Pro. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys next time.